lo okhulumayo odokotela uKhokhovula Khundabaloyi umelaphi womdabu omdala umelaphi esimaziyo. Ngiphathele ikhambi elizokwenza umehluko omkhulu empilweni zethu. Ngiyabuya.
Ngiphinde nginibingelele nina abaqeda ukuvula le channel. uKhokhovula njalo umelaphi womdabu sengiphinde ngabanani. kaKhokhovula silungisa izimpilo zabantu, sihlele izimpilo zabantu njalo. Endlela ezihlukile kodwa ngokwesintu, ngokwelapha komdabu kukhona izinto ezihlukile ezihluphe abantu njengezicitho.
The organic wealth comes from far back, from the beginning of mankind. We know them being used for funerals, people presenting them in a place where somebody has passed on, even in terms of doing umpahla, evoking and invoking spirits, asking from ancestors, and then one will have to put a calabash in the center of the wreath, and then you have to pay to partner connecting with your ancestor spirit. At the end of the day, this wreath is used again. You can burn it out as imperfect on that smoke. You still continue to make your request and ask from your angel guides, from your spiritual guides in that connectivity. This is the use of the wreath. You can even use it with the candle. This is our family union candle to unite people. Just put it in like that and you light your candle. You ask for peace. This is an example, but I'm explaining that the use of the organic wreath is muti.